In quick practice 10.14, you are required to draw the points on a plate and then do the plotting and find the coordinate of Q and R also. But in here, let's try to do it without drawing the plate, because most of you still remember the rules. For Q, is using the P reflect y-axis to get. So you still remember that when you reflect a point about the y-axis, you change the x-coordinate by adding a negative sign. So your Q, originally P is -5, it will change to 5. And the y-coordinate no change, so the new point Q will become 5, -2. On the other hand, when you try to reflect the point P about the x-axis, you will get R. So R, the coordinate you will find that first thing about the x-coordinate will no change, but this time y-coordinate will change from -2 to 2. Of course, if you have plotted the points on the same coordinate plane, you should have the following pictures. Originally P is here, reflect about y-axis to get Q, and also original point P reflect about x-axis, you will get R here. And of course, you will get the coordinate of Q and R by using the graph above. In quick practice 10.15, before you really go forward to find the coordinate of R pi, I will recommend you sketch the pictures so that you know what's going on. First is about the axis of your reflection. Parallel to x-axis, so it will be horizontal. And then it intercepts y-axis at 0, -1. 0, -1 is here. So your axis of reflection will be this line. It will be the axis of reflection that parallel to the x-axis and intercept at 0, -1. Next is about the R. It is -2, -5. So when you sketch the graph, the points will be here. This is the original R. In other words, your new point R pi will be above this blue line. But before we really get the R pi, first you need to know the distance between the original point and the blue line. So have a look on the information. This one is -1, and the y-coordinate of R is -5. So in other words, you will know that the distance between the lines and the original point R is 4 units. So it means that you need to move 4 units also to get a new point R pi. In other words, you are trying to translate the original point R upward by 8 units. So R pi will be equals to original x-coordinate is -2. You will find there's no change here. But for y-coordinate, -5 originally, as now you will move upward by 4 units. So it will be +4 times 2, or you just write down +8. That's why you will notice that the R pi coordinate will be -2, 3 after you finish the calculation.